Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com software breaking news update. The Beatles Rock Band, the highly anticipated game, has been released. It's available for Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, and Wii. In the game, representations of John, Paul, George, and Ringo play 45 totally remastered songs. There are replicas of the actual instruments like John Lennon's Rickenbacker guitar, Paul's Hofner bass, George's Gretsch, and Ringo's drum set. The songs range from the very beginning, like I Saw Her Standing There, songs like Get Back. The game itself is the talk of the internet. There's already a listing for it on Wikipedia. It's at the top of the news of the New York Times. And you can already see videos on YouTube. So, the Beatles Rock Band has been released, and that's your software breaking news.